In this quick start tutorial, we'll be learning how to perform a very common function in audio recording and editing, importing an external file, a track either from a CD or from somewhere else on your computer. First of all, open the session where you want to use the track and save it to the appropriate destination. I'm assuming you've done this already. Now let's select File, Import, Audio. We can import a number of other types of files, but in this case, we'll import an audio file. Now let's navigate to find the audio track either on your CD drive or some other location on your computer where you've got it stored. Let's add the file. Pro Tools needs to convert it. If you like, you can bring in just a part of the file or a region. You can remove files too if you've selected the wrong ones. When you're finished your selection, click Done. Now Pro Tools is asking us to choose a destination folder. It prefers to copy the file from its current location to its audio files folder, which actually happens to be our current folder, so I am going to click Use Current Folder. Audio Import Options, New Track, OK. And here is our imported file on a new track. Let's have a listen. Return to 0 and press play or the space bar. When you're finished your playback, press the space bar or stop in the transport window. Now let's save our session with a Ctrl+S or File and Save. And this concludes our quick start tutorial on importing an audio file from a hard drive or a CD.